Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Dana and today I have for you these cute cupcakes with pineapple and caramel. And I will start with the caramel, for which I'm gonna need brown sugar, 113 grams, 3 tablespoons of butter, 2 tablespoons of honey, and of course pineapple slices. I'll put in a small pot that brown sugar with honey, and I will add the butter as well from the beginning. And on the stove on low fire, mix until the sugar is dissolving, and all of this is gonna transform in a delicious caramel. That we're gonna distribute in 6 ramekin dishes. I will add about 1.5 tablespoons in each of these. You can add a bit more if you want, but I think 1.5 tablespoons is more than enough. Make sure that the caramel is spreading and covering all the base of the ramekins. If you don't have ramekin dishes, for sure you can use some cupcake tin as well. Add now pineapple slices in each of these. And as you can see, pineapple slices fit perfectly in these ramekin dishes. And in the middle of each dish, add some cherries that are glazed, or you can use some from a jar. For the batter, I need 2 eggs, 150 grams of sugar, 220 grams of flour, 120 milliliters of sunflower oil, a tablespoon of vanilla extract, 120 grams of sour cream, a pinch of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, and the same baking soda. Mix flour with baking powder and baking soda. Put the eggs in the mixer dish with a pinch of salt and whisk them really good. Add sugar gradually and continue to mix. Mix the eggs with the sugar until the sugar starts to dissolve. Use the mixer on a higher speed. And also don't forget to add 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, because it's gonna give an awesome flavor to these cakes. Add now sunflower oil, or you can use canola oil if you don't have the one that I am using. Add sour cream and continue to mix. And we're gonna end up with dry ingredients with flour, baking powder, and baking soda. Make sure that all the dry ingredients are really well incorporated into the batter, and pour the batter over the pineapple slices in the ramekin dishes, and bake them in the preheated oven at 180 Celsius 350 Fahrenheit for about 15 to 20 minutes. You can serve these warm or cold. It's up to you. Make sure to preheat the oven. That's important when you're baking a dessert. They look like this, as you can see, really cute. I serve them by placing them on a plate upside down. Make sure to turn them over so you can remove the ramekin dish. As I said, you can serve them warm or cold with ice cream or custard or vanilla sauce, and they look amazing, and they're pretty easy to prepare. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, give a thumbs up to the recipes that you like, and comment down below. Have an awesome day and find reasons to smile. Bye bye.